Well, this is Princess's first birthday, and they're having their birthday meal. And Sammy thinks it's Sammy's getting ready to get up on the table because he pushed his plate back. He can't reach it. Look at Princess; she's eating so daintily. And there are the cupcakes. So, what do you think? Sammy's manners are not nearly as good as Princess's.
Just sit there and eat.
So, can you hear Sammy? And here are our first beautiful tulips, too. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Sammy says, wow. He's so cute. And look at Princess being a little girl. Yeah. Oh. Okay. In just a moment, we're going to have cake and ice cream.